Hello, welcome to another episode in our digital marketing tutorial channel. Today, I want to show you how to use ChatGPT and Google Search Console to research for topical map. With just a few steps, you will learn how to cluster your top performing pages and generate topic ideas for every content category you already rank for. But one more thing I would like to tell you before we go deeper into today's video is that you should endeavor to stick around and watch the video to the end, because I'm going to share you a bonus content strategy that will be very helpful to you. So now let's get into it. So the first thing you will need to do is to head over to your Google Search Console account. As you can see, I'm already in my own Google Search Console account now. So you click on the search result, and so once the page loads, scroll down and click on the pages tab. This is what we are going to use for this tutorial. We are not going to use the queries that we already ranked for, but the pages. So what you need to do here is that what we're trying to achieve here is that we want to see how we can use the topics, the content that Google already ranks our website for, how we can use those topics that we already rank for, the ones that we have strong search visibility already, how we can use those to create content for our blog. That's what we are trying to achieve here. You just think about it, you will see how everything worked out now. So next, export the content in a Google Sheet. I've already exported this in my Google Sheet, so let me open the page so that you can just see that at once. But on your own, I'll export the report in your Google Sheet. You can download in Excel or CSV file, but Google Sheet is the best. So this is my Google Sheet. So what you need to do is to now copy it. Now, here is the good part. It depends on how large your website is or how many content you already publish on your site. You can copy the first 20 or the first 30 or the first 40 ranking pages of your site. But if you have less than, let's say, 200 pages, I would advise that you don't copy much, because when you do that, you would the result may not be refined enough. So in this case, I already copied top 50. Let me copy the top 50 pages here. So once you copy these top 50 pages, what you need to do is go into ChatGPT, then paste this into ChatGPT. Then I'll give you a prompt, which you will use. Already have my prompt here already. Now we use the prompt. The prompt say that this is the first prompt. We're going to use two prompts for this hack to work properly. So the first prompt is cluster this following URL based on their content topic. Organize the URL into distinct categories with a brief description of each cluster term. So that's the first prompt we will use. Copy that and paste it at the top. Then so after pasting the URL in ChatGPT and the prompt, you click enter. So just give it a few seconds and ChatGPT will do its magic. Now you see it's clustering all the URLs based on topic. So let's just wait a few minutes. Let's wait. So now that ChatGPT as a creator the list and categories and grouping all the URLs under a shared topic. This cluster represents the core terms your site is already covering and which Google already categorized your website with. Though you can review the list and can review the clusters, even rename it based on your understanding of your site structure if you like, but I would advise that you just go with this for now. So now you will now enter the second prompt now. So now let's go back to my prompt and let's copy it. This second prompt is based on this content topic, generate 20 blog topic for each cluster that align with user intent and SEO best practices. Also consider search volume and topic trends. Now, there's one thing you have to understand here is that based on your own personal needs, your own preference, you don't have to go with 20 blog posts. You might go with 10, 20, 30. It depends on how large the URL you give ChatGPT is. So the idea is just to generate more new topics idea from the clusters. So for me, I use 20 blog topics for each clusters. So now let's see. ChatGPT starts. So now ChatGPT has now finally generates our blog topics. As you can see now that for each clusters, we have 20 blog topics which we can write about. Now, this is the WordPress and Extra 10 tutorial. We have 20 blog topics that we can cover. Now, for the Black Friday deal and discount, which is part of the cluster that ChatGPT has already categorized before. Now, we have 20 blog topics. For the SEO tools and strategy, we also have 20. For freelancing and online jobs, we have 20. For AI tools and software clusters, we have 20. So the purpose of this now, because I guess you might want to ask what's the purpose of this. Now, the purpose is that all these blog topics, we have not covered them on our blogs, but they are part of the content topics that I've already covered on the blog that Google and other search engines already rank my blog topic for. I've already created some posts in the past that fall into this cluster. So creating more topics on this cluster, we quickly generate more traffic and we ensure that we cover all the topical areas that we've already have a solid presence in SERP. That's just the beauty here. So if you are familiar with tools like Surfer SEO, this is how the topical map in Surfer SEO works, but on a more broader capacity and landscape, better than this. With Surfer SEO, you can generate thousands of articles that you can write and plan your content there on calendar strategy for the whole month, even for the whole year in one click. But if you don't have a budget for a tool like Surfer SEO, you can as well use this system to generate content ideas for a whole month, which you can write. And these content clusters will help your site to run quicker instead of writing on topics that are irrelevant to your blog or niche, which Google does not familiarize your blog or site with. You have a roadmap that you can follow here right now that will help you rank faster because you already rank for similar topics related to all these clusters. So that's it for today. With just Google search and the ChatGPT, you've mapped out a powerful content strategy. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content marketing tips. Bonus tips that I asked you to stay around for before is that you can use a calendar to schedule your favorite calendar to schedule and track your progress as you create more posts based on this topical map. This system is a game changer for staying consistency and I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.